Hello, you beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tabby, and today I want to share something really important that I found. And it's I want to help you how to become a better artist in 2020. And this is something that I found so incredibly helpful for me in my own growth. And I really, really hope that it helps you. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one, and give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel tremendously when you do that. So please hit that thumb. Hit it. Hit it. Okay, so first of all, I'm a self-taught. I've never went to art school, and I've only really been doing this really recently, only for like the last couple of years or so. So I'm very new in my growth. I'm still in my evolution and my growth and my progress towards becoming a better artist. And I make a lot of mistakes along the way, and I learn a lot of things along the way. And that's what I want to share with you. And um, and if my journey helps you in any way, that's all I want. If I can show my progress and my ups and downs and my little tips that I found along the way, and it helps you with your own growth, that is a huge plus for me. So hopefully this video finds you well and you like it, and let's get started. There's a lot that goes into becoming a better artist and learning how to do art in general. When you're starting, you can go on YouTube a lot. I certainly did, and you get stuck with the techniques, how to do proportions, how to do different strokes, how to blend colors, how to shade, and how to layer, and how to do this and that, how to do a realistic eye. And there's a lot of things that you can watch out there, and I was certainly doing that. But once you hit a certain point, you stop looking at other things. And there's other things that are super, super valuable other than just technique. For example, what I found recently that I wasn't doing at all, and I didn't even realize that I wasn't doing it, was I wasn't giving my pieces the time that they deserved. So let me explain by giving you an example. So let's say I have this vision. I want to paint something. I want to paint an elephant, and I have my canvas, I have my paint, I have my brushes, I have my water, I have my setup, I have my music going, and I start painting, and I'm in the moment. I have that momentum, I have that inspiration, and I'm painting away. And let's say 2 or 3 hours go by, and then you slowly start losing that momentum, whether you're bored or you're tired, or you actually have to go somewhere, so now you're feeling really rushed, or you have to go to bed because it's getting really late. Whatever it may be, you're losing that momentum. And when that happens, you have two options. Either you stop and leave it and just come back to it later when you have time, or you rush it because you just want to complete it, because you're the kind of person that doesn't like to leave projects unfinished. I'm certainly like that. I am the kind of person that does not like to leave anything halfway done. I need to finish it. And because I need to finish it, I rush it. And I rush it, and obviously, because I'm rushing it, it doesn't turn out as well. And I think a lot of the time as well, it's not only because you don't want to leave anything incomplete, but I think as an artist, you're afraid that inspiration only hits you once, and it only hits you in that moment. And for me personally, I was always afraid that if I decided to leave it for the next day or next week or whenever you had time next, that you weren't going to be inspired and that I was never going to be able to finish it. That was my biggest fear. And you know what I found is that that's wrong, actually, because whenever I would leave a painting unfinished, it actually gave me the opportunity to take a break from it, sleep on it. I didn't do it on purpose, it just happened. I would just completely detach from it and come back to it days later. But when I came back to it days later, inspiration kicked in again. But it was better. You can actually see where you're going and maybe where you're going wrong. So now you have time to fix it before it's too late, before it's fully complete, and then you have to start all over again. So it really gives you that fresh light bulb that you needed, that maybe, kind of like writer's block, but it's painter's block. You know what I mean? So I felt like that's kind of what I was doing. And yes, that process takes time, but it will make your paintings better. You have to treat your artistic process like a child. It's your child that you're trying to nurture and grow, and you're trying to feed it and give it love, and it will grow over time. But it will take time, and it is a gradual process. And that is my little tip for the day because it sounds really small and it sounds really simple, but you know what? It has helped my paintings a lot. I hope this little tip helps you. Let me know if it does. You can put in the comments what projects you're doing and see if it helped you in any way. It's just be patient with it. Also, if you want to see some of my process and just my creative journey, subscribe to my channel and check out the videos that I have and future videos that I will be posting. And I hope this video finds you well, and I really hope you like it, and see you in the next one.